The task of determining if point belongs to a specific line segment might be determined resolved by different methods. I propose to consider these two, and the first one, distance comparison, meaning we compare the length of the line segment between P0 and P1 and the summary of distances between P0, Px and Px P1. If they are equal, that means that the point actually belongs to this line segment. Due to the way computers handle float values, we need to use math approximately function, because otherwise if we just try to determine if they're equal, sometimes it won't work, even if the numbers would be looking the same. And if somebody dislikes this approximately function, line equation is doesn't require this, and this solution based on the line equation, because if we can calculate by 2 points, we can calculate a line equation, find slope and y-intercept, and by these parameters, if essentially we resolve line equation for coordinates of this point, and if the equation is correct, we know that it belongs to a line, but specifically if it belongs to a line segment, we need to also confirm special condition that the x coordinate of this point must fall between minimum x and maximum x of this coordinate, and y of the point must fall within minimum of y and maximum y of this coordinate, right? So that's a little bit bulky. And the example is just these two functions, and one of them I used in fixed update to draw line red if it is actually intersecting. So let's see. I'll just move it to 0, 0, and I know that it should be red. Thanks for watching.